Also going to pick up the solar lights, the solar light kits. These are the solar light kits that are going to the 35 women in our village. So thank you guys so much for helping us fully fund this. And yeah, we're gonna go here to pick up the solar kits. Okay, so here are the solar kits. They're the same ones as last time. If you guys have been around, you'll remember. Will you open that so we can just see what it looks like? Show the people. They're really good quality ones. We even have some for ourselves at home that we use. Yeah. So it comes with 2 bulbs,
with the solar panel.
And then it has like a little connector, so they can charge their phones using this connector.
You can charge your phone, you just connect it right here, and then you plug in whatever system of charging thing you have, and this also charges your phone.